Hey everyone, when a marriage breaks down, it's often said that the real victims are the children. Divorce leaves more than just legal scars. It disrupts lives, redefines relationships, and forces courts to make impossible decisions. In the case of THG and LGH, a mother returned to court nearly a decade after her divorce, seeking custody of her teenage daughter and an increase in maintenance for their son. But was this truly a case of maternal concern or a battle fueled by deeper conflicts? Now, in 1987, THG, the husband, and LGH, the wife, finalized their divorce. By mutual consent, the custody, care, and control of their son were given to the mother, while the custody, care, and control of their daughter were given to the father. Many years passed. The husband remarried and had 2 more children with his new wife. The daughter continued to live with him, while the son remained with the mother. Then in December 1995, the mother filed an application in court seeking 2 things: a change in custody, claiming that her daughter was being ill-treated by her stepmother and step-siblings, and an increase in maintenance from $150 to $750 per month for her son, arguing that the father, who now earned around $2,200 per month, should contribute more. What followed was a courtroom tug-of-war that raised crucial questions about family law in Singapore. 2 central legal issues emerged. First, was the daughter truly being mistreated, and should custody be transferred to the mother? Second, was the father financially capable of paying more maintenance given his new responsibilities and salary? Both parents had strong arguments, but the court needed more than just words. It needed evidence. The mother painted a heartbreaking picture. According to the mother, the daughter was caned excessively by the stepmother, denied food and basic freedoms, cut off from her mother and brother with phone calls forcefully ended, and emotionally neglected while the stepmother showed love for her own biological children. She claimed that her daughter was miserable, forced to sneak out of the house just to see her mother and brother. She pleaded with the court that her daughter needed a mother's love. The father, however, countered each accusation. He denied all claims of mistreatment, calling them totally false. He argued that the mother had never raised such issues before. Why now, after 7 years? He revealed that his daughter had confessed to him that she had been pressured into writing a statement against him. He pointed out that the step-sibling accused of bullying his daughter was only 7 years old, while his daughter was already 13 years old. More importantly, he assured the court that he was a loving and responsible parent. He had raised his daughter all these years, and uprooting her now would only cause harm. Faced with conflicting claims, the judge made a wise decision. He spoke directly to the daughter. What he found was heartbreaking. The girl was torn between her parents. She loved both of them, but was caught in the middle of their battle. She shared some incidents of unfair treatment by her stepmother, but her words did not support her mother's extreme allegations. The judge closely observed the father. His love for his daughter was evident. He had raised her for 7 years and she was doing well in school, showing no signs of trauma. Thus, the court refused to change custody. However, it granted the mother longer access hours, allowing her to spend more time with her daughter. The second issue was the increase in maintenance. The mother argued that their son's expenses had risen from $832 per month and that the father, now earning over $2,200 per month, should contribute more. However, the court took a balanced approach under the Women's Charter. The father had remarried and had 2 young children from his new marriage. His take-home pay was only $1,700 per month after deductions. Increasing maintenance from $150 to $750 per month would cause undue hardship to his new family. The judge ruled that an increase to $375 per month was fair, not too little and not too much. This case reveals a painful truth. When marriages end, the echoes of conflict often live on through custody battles and financial disputes. But the courts must always prioritize one thing above all: the best interests of the child. Here, the judge saw beyond the accusations and focused on what truly mattered: ensuring stability for the daughter and fairness for both parents. There is a lesson in this for all of us. Attachment to the past and bitterness over what was lost can blind us to the realities of the present. Just as the mother clung to her idea of rescuing her daughter, she overlooked the peace that already existed in her child's life. Suffering arises when we hold too tightly. Peace comes from acceptance. And in the end, balance must be restored, not just in law, but in life. Thanks for joining me in today's case summary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.